Hi friends, once again welcome back to Excel Home Tutorial. Today I'll be making Chinese fried rice. So what all things I do have here, let me show you. This is onion, green chili, garlic and ginger, and of course soybean, green peas, and here is I got tofu and some mixed vegetable, carrot, cabbage, I mean cauliflower, not cabbage, but with some capsicum. And spices gonna be putting is, see, chili flakes, Chinese 5 spices, and some black pepper and soy sauce and little of sweet soy sauce and salt with some oil. That is all. So let's prepare now. The pot is getting ready. Okay, so I'll be adding some oil first, and then the second step we will follow. First I'll be adding some oil. So that is how we're going to start. Okay, so it is the oil. I'll be putting more oil because the onion is too much. Okay, so oil is done. The whole process will take like 5 minutes maximum. You should have the rice ready, boiled rice, along with this all those chopped vegetables and ingredients, all the spices. And here's the boiled rice which I'll be adding afterwards in all the cooked vegetables. So the oil is almost ready. Check the flame, increase a bit, put it back. The first ingredients you will be adding is this onion garlic paste along with green chili, and of course here it is. This is what I'm gonna be putting in the oil. At first oil is ready, I'll be putting this. Okay, yeah, almost all is there, and then you need to stir it up. This will take about a minute to cook. After that we're gonna be adding other ingredients with spices. Right after a minute, when the onion is almost cooked, then you need to add the first thing is tofu. I'll be adding tofu in this because tofu must be cooked. Either you can fry it first or you can just directly put it in as the way I'm putting it, and then stir it up. Then you need to cook it almost 30 seconds. Let it cook without adding any spices for 30 seconds. After that you add all the other ingredients you have, and then you add all the spices and leave it for 3 minutes. Now time to add other ingredients. You have like chopped vegetables you have here. I'll be adding those first. Okay, so that's gone. Now I got here green peas. I'll be adding those two green peas, and then last thing I have is soybean. I need to remove the water. Now I'll be adding the soybean to this. Okay, now the everything is added in this, all the vegetables you had. Then you need to stir it up and add spices. Now let's add the spices. It's the black pepper I'll be adding. You will see all the spices in here. And then second thing I have here is the chili flakes. Add the chili flakes, and then it's Chinese 5 spice. Okay, so you need to add this Chinese 5 spice a little bit, sprinkle. It gives a little sweeter taste. If not, let's try from here. Yeah, like that. Then Chinese 5 spices. After that we have sweet soy sauce. I'll be adding a little bit, not much, because of ginger. Then you need to add the soy vinegar a little bit for sour taste. The last thing is left is salt. I'll be adding the salt. Now I'm adding the salt. Salt I always use with my hand, of course. These are the ingredients I added. That's it. And the last ingredient is magic syrup. Usually it should be used in the end, but I'm using it right now. Afterwards I will be putting rice, and it will take a minute after. Right after 3 minutes, I will be adding those rice. Rice actually you should have cold, but since I don't have cold rice, it's hot. I will still be mixing it, but the disadvantage, it will get little soggy if you have rice already cooked and it is cold, so it will be better. Okay, now it's time to add rice. You just put it. Sorry, it's not going like that, so I'll be using this spatula like this. I'll be adding it all. Okay, now the rice is added. Now we need to mix it well and let it cook for 1 minute, and then your fried rice is ready. After a minute, your rice is ready, but don't forget to clean as you go. As you see, there's a mess, so I'm gonna be cleaning. Now let's enjoy the rice while watching horror movie.